सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं.
Very good, sir.
Very good. Okay. Short time घेयना. एक 3 गोष्टींचेर हांव उलयतलों. एवरेज 1 मिनटांनी एक खबर सांगतलों. हितूंतली 2 things are definitely for JOEFIL and VALENCIA. Okay, and one will be for general for all of us, because everybody gets literally reviving their marriage in almost every marriage that is happening in this world. The first thing, इतले spontaneous जाले भितर सोदतांच रोजार चलताले, and I realized we have a lot of priests here, so and their prayer on, I don't know so perfection, but I picked up something through the priests. The prayer said the marriage. Lot of people they say that VALENCIA has chosen JOEFIL, or JOEFIL has chosen VALENCIA. How many people agree with this? Great people of Valley. Nobody agrees. That's good. What do you think, VALENCIA? Do you agree that you have chosen him? Yeah? Okay, JOEFIL? Have you chosen her? Absolutely right. They were chosen for each other, not by them. When they choose, it has become more fragile for this marriage to have a lot of other issues. Then they can separate on their own also. This will be ever firm and bonded forever. That's why it said no marriage should be broken. So God has chosen this. This plan was by God. God has said, VALENCIA, you are for JOEFIL, and JOEFIL is going to fill VALENCIA's the valence motivation. So they are going to fill each other's those gaps, but without their own will itself, but there is a will of God. Second part is yesterday's toast, Father Clifford's. How many people can strike a very beautiful chord in what Father Clifford said? And what was the most important thing in yesterday's Father's toast? What did he say this marriage is all about? Yeah, okay, love, hope, happiness, fine. But I was trying to pick up something from Father Clifford that day, because sometimes we fail to understand. And there is always a saying, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Am I right? And what he told yesterday, what I picked up, and I want you all to take it firm into your mind. The love, the emotions began when VALENCIA looked into the eyes of JOEFIL, and JOEFIL when you looked into the eyes of VALENCIA. Why eyes were chosen? I give a scientific tone to that. What Father Clifford talked from his platform, religious. Scientific tone is, there is no better identity than checking a person's identity through the iris of the eyes. Zaita Taroti, Gulfish, London Girl, nowadays the passports are being identified even on the iris, eyes. There is no second person with the same identity like JOEFIL for VALENCIA, and there is no identity same like VALENCIA for JOEFIL. This is first and the last identity for both of you. Will you keep up to that? Of course, you have to. And the last and not the least, my toast for my wedding, I remember even till today. And one of the Capuchin fathers is over here, Father Lester. Mogya Kadra, Capuchin Father Andil of Raz. Father Joel Pinto Munalolo. He was my toastmaster. And then Yaku Sanglale, come what me, every husband and wife, they will not be sailing on the smooth, calm seas. If you need to reach the best of destination, you need to go through rough weather also. That is what the ship is made for. Ships are not made to be kept in the harbor. They are made to sail. And तेणे एकू सांगलो म्हाका, come what may, तुम सकाळी कितें तुमगे प्रॉब्लेम जाता, by late evening, before the sun sets, see that you'll both come together again. Never let the sun set with any grievances within you, both of you. If there is a problem with JOEFIL, VALENCIA need to talk to him. But before sunset, never go to bed without coming together. Come what may, settle your differences. If you let the sun set, tomorrow will be a more difficult day because it will build up. And this build up is what creates more nuisance into our lives. VALENCIA, take a promise to yourself, not to me, not to JOEFIL, to yourself, I will never go to bed without coming to terms to JOEFIL. And the same thing JOEFIL need to do. Dev Bare Guru. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Anthony Dsilva.
And Dev Bare Guru, I will only request you all to sit down. When they need you all to stand, you all can stand. But my permission is there for you to sit down. सगळ्यांनी बसका घेवची. कित्याक भरपूर लांब उलोवपाक आसा. काय आयकून तर तुमकां लागता सगळ्यांक. आयज सगळ्यांक ओल्ड फिशाल काय कित्याक दिताली? There is rejoice in the heavens. Because today we have another child who joined Jesus Christ. आणि मुगेल्या जिवितांत last, I'll tell you the importance first. Because I don't importance now. The most important thing what we all do is get together, pop up a champagne, call somebody to for a toast, eat, make merry and go home. So what is more important, let us realize, to tell you flat in 5 minutes, 5 minutes, the biggest celebration in my life was my communion. The biggest celebration Mugela family is communion. Last 20 years, Ameli Koplan, Zaito log Ameli to Soni to Dhanas to. Last 20 years, we as a family members, we are making a special poster for all the children who take communion, who receive Jesus. Every year, without fail, one poster of a group of children who receive Jesus. A poster, no gift, ₹50 come data, but it is forever remaining memory. Now, why this is important? Next, the time. This is for the audience, all the family members. Remember, communion is the biggest celebration of Christianity for us. Second, for Fiona and for Selvin. What do you think is the most important thing what you're going to give for your son? I'm not testing you up, please don't mind. I'm just asking so that indirectly all the remaining parents who have their children for communion lineup should learn this. What is the most important thing you think what you're going to give him as a gift? Love, but love has to be manifested, no? Just a love word by itself hangs in balance. The love my parents taught me, although I didn't become a priest, every day she made us to join our hands and she told us never speak against any priest. Never speak anything against any priest. The best thing you can do, the gift, give for your son, without fail, make him to say his night prayers and go to sleep. He should know, take the word of Jesus every day on his lips. Learn and teach him to join his hands to say prayers. This is the biggest gift you are going to give to your children. And Snyder, what should I tell you, beta? What do? You see Jesus? Mama is prompting him. You receive Jesus? You're sure? Show. Show me where Jesus. Where Jesus? No. So Jesus is in his heart. Okay? So Snyder, will you listen to me, beta? Do you say your prayers? If you are not, don't tell people you are not saying your prayers, okay? But from today onwards, tell Mama or Dada. Mama, we have to say prayers before going to sleep. Okay? Will you listen to me? And that I won't say, but with your permission, I will also congratulate my Rachel. My baby Rachel is there. She is celebrating her birthday also today. So Rachel, I think Rachel was a very quiet person in the Bible, am I right? She was very quiet, many times not questionable, a person full of, silence was behind her. So this Rachel also is keeping silence. She hardly speaks. Okay? Congratulations to Rachel also. And thank you to everybody. And this family really, I know they love me. They manifest their love. And just not by just saying I love you. They love you, we should say, but we should manifest. I want to tell Snyder, I love my beta. Okay? I tell you not to see Jesus. Okay? Thank you very much. And Dev Barakur Sot, clap. Okay? Let us clap for Jesus today. All of us, that we have one more member in our family of Christianity. Let's clap.